Most men think expensive cologne equals smelling good. The truth is, you can wear a $200 bottle and smell like nothing after 2 hours. Today, I'm going to give you the exact system, the right perfumes, the right concentration, and the right way to apply them. This is non-negotiable. Here's the thing. Not all perfumes are built equal. Eau de toilette, EDT, contains 5 to 15% fragrance oil. It lasts 4 to 7 hours. Eau de parfum, EDP, contains 15 to 20%. It lasts 8 to 12 hours. Why does this matter? EDP molecules bind deeper into your skin and release slowly throughout the entire day. If your scent disappears by lunch, stop buying EDT. Switch to EDP. That's the game changer. 3 perfumes, no noise, no guessing. Number 1, Dior Sauvage Elixir. This is your signature, your evening weapon. Spicy base, rich woods, dense projection. It lasts 10 to 12 hours straight. I guarantee people will notice the moment you walk in. Number 2, Versace Eros Flame. This is your bold evening pick. Citrus opening, spicy heart, warm, woody amber base, strong presence without being aggressive. Perfect for fall, winter, and nights out. Number 3, Lauren Polo Red. This is your all-rounder. Fresh enough for the office, bold enough for the weekend. It works in every setting, every season. Keep this one in your rotation year-round. Pro tip, Labo Santal. 33 is the secret weapon most men sleep on. Violet, iris, leather. Sophisticated, unique, and it sticks to your clothes for days after you wear it. This is how you level up and stand out from every other man in the room. This is where most men destroy their fragrance. Follow this exactly. No shortcuts. First, apply right after your shower. Clean skin, open pores. The scent absorbs faster and deeper into your body. Non-negotiable. Next, put on unscented lotion before you spray. Hydrated skin holds fragrance up to twice as long. This single step is the difference between smelling good at 9 a.m. and still smelling good at 9 p.m. Finally, 2 to 3 sprays maximum. Hold the bottle 6 inches from your body. Hit your neck and your inner wrist. That's it. Done. Whatever you do, don't rub your wrists together after you apply. This breaks down the fragrance molecules and cuts your scent life in half. Let it air dry. Let it do its job. Lock in this system. Shower, moisturize, apply correctly, wear EDP. Do this consistently for 30 days. By day 7, people in your space will start noticing. By day 30, they'll ask you what you're wearing. Your fragrance is a silent signal of confidence. Build it right, and it speaks before you even open your mouth. Hit that like button, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Stay sharp.